In this video, we will discuss, you can see that this is the hydrogen atom and this is the electron, and we will discuss in this video the energy of the electron. And you know that I wrote one formula over here. So energy of electron is the sum of the potential energy plus kinetic energy. So first of all, we will find the potential and kinetic energy, and then we will find the number of the orbit is possible in this hydrogen atom. So we will find the second orbit energy also, third orbit also, fourth orbit also, and number of the orbit also. So we can find all the orbit energy of the electron if it revolve in any one of the orbit. So first of all, we will find kinetic and we will find potential. So you can see that the centripetal force is equals to electrostatic force. You know that electron is revolve around this, so that this plus charge is attract to negative charge. We are applying force between the two charges, so that is a electrostatic attraction force formula. You can see that is the centripetal force formula. R will be cancelled, so you will get this formula. But you want the kinetic energy, and you know that half mv square, this is the formula of kinetic energy. So you can divide both the term by the 2. So we will get the first formula of the kinetic energy, and kinetic energy of electron is a k q1 q2 divided by 2r, where q1 you know that is the Ze and q2 is a E. So where we can find the first kinetic energy. Up we have to find the potential energy, and electric potential energy का formula I hope so you should clear that k equals to q1 and minus q2, because negative charge apply होगा यहाँ पे, and that is the R. This is the formula of potential energy. So now we will add first and second in this equation and we will find the energy. So we will find the formula of final energy is equals to माइनस के Z1 Z2. देखिए यहाँ पे Q1 के प्लेस पर मैंने ZE सब्स्टिट्यूट करा है, Q2 के प्लेस पे माइनस का E था, यू नो दैट तो दिस इज एक फॉर्मूला, हमें इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने पे वैल्यू मिलेगी. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द एनर्जी. But you know that their radius is the change, because if we go to the second orbit, radius will be changed, third orbit. So this time we will apply the formula of the radius of the hydrogen atom, and we will find the exact energy of this orbit, particular orbit. So you can see that if we substitute the value of R in the denominator, so we will get this type of the expression, where k we will get 2 times, we will get Z 2 times e to the power 4 हो जाएगा. So the final formula you can see that is a energy formula of the hydrogen atom, where you will substitute E1, तो आपका फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट का एनर्जी मिल जाएगा, E2 सेकेंड का, E3 थर्ड का, E3 फोर्थ का, एंड सो ऑन. So by this formula we can easily find all the orbit energy of hydrogen atom.